Enjoy coming home to this beautiful 2-story with spacious floor plan and numerous upgrades. Upgrades include sunroom, sitting room, larger patio, 12 by 20, extra parking pad, gas line for a gas grill, hookups for a gas or electric dryer, large kitchen island, tile backsplash in kitchen, hardwood steps on staircase, hardwood floors in hallway upstairs and hardwood floors throughout main level. Kitchen has granite counters and stainless appliances. Storage building is 10 by 20 and has electric. Backyard is fenced. HOA includes street lights, tennis courts, and access to neighborhood pavilion and dock, Lake Cooley.